hella ribs, hella fucking cute bigs. Oh my god, feeling so kind. No more fucking mean shit, hella speaking Sprite. Baby, look at you, looking so pretty in my fucking dreams. Got me paralyzed already. So please, baby, leave me be now. Hella fucking crying all day long, hella fucking all day hitting that fucking bomb. Fucking songs, crazy ass fucking flows. Oh my god, hoes running the streets, fucking watching Sesame Streets. Please, baby, don't be like that. Keep it so classy, so big it is. How I know it's so dressing so fine, but inside in my mind, no, you're a fucking wild thing. Oh my god, king shit. Fucking not drinking Listerine, that's right, bitch. So me, hella speaking freely. So musically. Fucking Ray Charles, oh my god, that's my brother, oh my god, let's go get some fucking cows. Freaking hungry all day long, please baby give me one more chance. Hella fucking got me, fucking chance. So skinny but sipping all day. Hella fucking bomb haystacks all day. I don't care baby, I could do it, why? Cause I'm a guy, hella fucking fine. Fucking bling, pretty silly little thing, that's right, bitches. Fuck Thor's hat, cause hats are fucking wax, that's right, I said it, gon' fucking say it, bitch, if you don't mean it. So sorry, takes forever to speak my mind, why? Cause I'm so kind, I respect my OGs, got that A talent on their back, so please haters, don't fucking hate. Leave me be, I don't care, so happily got my familia for support. Hella hurts on yo haters, that's right, bitches on my fucking grind. So I'm so kind all day long, hitting that fucking bond. You know me, if you fucking know me, you know I fucking speak the truthfully. Hella true, Jesus all day long, hella fucking not hitting the zone. Crazy shit, bitch, what the fuck, looking like a trick. Oh my god, but pierces in your face, what a disgrace to my fucking race. Yes, I can spit whatever I can, cause I'm fucking true Mexican. Just changing my looks, cause it looks kinda dirty. It won't hurt me, but mommy, please understand that the life changes all day long. Oh my god, love my hair super long, cause I don't care anymore, why? Cause I got the perfect Frankenstein in my fucking bloodline. Yes, bitches, hella fucking boobs. Got the real fucking boobs, not fucking steroids, what the fuck? Hello, fucking bad bitches. Keep on walking, let me be. So clean.